Get rid of this, dwarf Alberta spruce. Kill the wisteria if you possibly can. Holly, it goes. This, prune it back so that you can get around. Like take this branch back all the way here, and then maybe anything else that's sort of coming here, but otherwise I think it's kind of contained. Keep the clematis, keep the azalea, keep it pruned tight. Like I would get rid of this now, just keep it tight. Keep the juniper, just prune off lower branches that, you know, are coming into this way. It's very shallow here. You've got a foot here, you've got like 2.5 feet here. This cypress goes, this Alberta spruce goes. This can stay, and then you prune off the branches that they're coming here. This goes, this goes, this goes. No shrubs here. In the winter, you need a place for your snow. Also, you need to be able to get in and out of the car. This is already mangled. So let's repurpose this. And the rest you're gonna get rid of. Let's put just perennials here.